Oh, hello. This is Drew with Michigan Adventure Life. We're out here at the Lupton entrance of the Huron National Forest, that place we've been scouting for whitetails. We got Dick.
Hello.
And John.
Hey.
What are you guys up to?
I'm just setting up my sleeping bag right now, and then probably put my blanket on over it. Probably get something to eat. I'm a little hungry.
Right now I got my rainfly set up and I'm about to set up my new hammock I just got. It was on sale on Amazon.
All right, so we're just finishing up setting up camp. Our setup's done. Dick's finishing up with his sleeping bag right now. It's pretty exciting for him because it's all new gear. But we got a little shelter hammocks, or not hammock, tarp set up over there. We're gonna keep our bows and extra gear, like our bags and stuff, dry. And just a place to hang out at night if it's raining. Tomorrow we gotta wake up real early, get out to our blinds, hopefully find some deer, kill some deer, get some venison.
Wore a hole in my sock hiking out here. Dick tip for you. Always carry a little bit of thread and a needle just in case you need to sew something or patch something that rips along the trail while hiking.
And we got John. And we got beer. Gonna be a good trip.
Great trip.
Great trip.
I'm just getting into bed. I'm wet, cold, tired. Had a long hike in with a lot of gear. But I'm glad I'm doing it with you guys.
Glad to be here.
Huh. Night, John.
Night, Drew.
Night, Dick.
Night, Joe.
Night, guys.
Good morning, Michigan Adventure Life. I found my socks. We're gonna get our camo on and we're gonna go hunting.
Ah, the elusive Michigan hunter. No one is majestic or true. Preparing for his day, journey into the woods to sit solemnly alone, waiting for the elusive Michigan whitetail deer. Hello, majestic Michigan hunter.
Hey. Feeling good, John?
Oh yeah.
You ready to go sit alone all day? Hopefully they'll need me to help gut their deer. See you guys in the field, man.
Hey guys, just got to my blind. Almost done. Where else is so nice here?
I checked on Dick. He's doing well already. He's already set up, got his scents out. I said bye to John because he's like a mile away. So now I just sit here. Try and stay dry and try and stay warm.
Just got set up in my blind. Got my camera out, my yard markers out. Crossbows ready. I'm ready. Hopefully we see something.
Just came to see John before lunch. He's getting some stuff packed. We're gonna go and eat some lunch. Been a real quiet morning. I think it's been too windy and rainy for anybody. A little foggy too.
We're back at camp. Gonna eat some lunch. How you feeling, John? Feeling hungry. Yeah, me too.
Me three.
But it's getting sunnier out, so hopefully we'll get rid of a lot of that fog and the deer will be moving tonight.
Food and nap.
Just took a little nap. We're gonna grab our stuff and head out for our evening hunt until night, and then come back and eat and drink and do it again. Hopefully we see some deer out there. Dick tip, make sure you're fully covered in camo if you're going bow hunting. They can see your silhouette.
Dick's just getting settled into his blind. John's heading off down to his.
Dick tip. If you're using scents, make sure to make it into a triangle using the
Good hunting, man. Starting to pick up.
So we've been at my blind this evening for a little while now. It's starting to get darker out. Still haven't seen any deer. There's always tomorrow, but still tonight too.
I just had a tick crawl across the bridge of my nose. So it's just your friendly reminder that no matter the temperature, no matter how covered you are, you're never safe.
Alright guys, so it looks like I'm gonna pack up and head in. It's the evening, end of the night for hunting. Didn't see anything today, but we always have tomorrow.
We're just back at camp, getting out of our camo and stuff. Hanging up the bows on the bow tree. Oh, look at him. Here's all that is man. How you feeling, Dick?
I feel pretty good.
We're just hanging out under the Kelty tarp. Test running that cart for gun season. Supposedly has a 1,000-pound capacity. Might take us a few loads because we got a lot of stuff, but it's better than trying to carry it all in. Ah. The sound of the cold one.
Here's a dick tip for you. Take the tab off your beer, put it inside your can, and it becomes a carb. Get less bubbles, less air, more beer.
We got these closed cell foam thermarest pads. They've got a really high R value. R value is how much they reflect your body heat. John's just got this hoity-toity pad that's got that stuff all built into it, and he's good in winter, summer, whatever. Well, I guess we can say goodnight now. Good night, John.
Good night, Dick. Good night, Drew.
Good night, Dick.
Good night, Drew.
Good night, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our red light special.
Good morning.
John's just drinking some water, getting ready.
Good morning hunt.
Dick's still getting out of bed. Looks like he found his socks, though. Yep. It's a little cold, so we got out of bed a little late. And our hike into the final field is a little shorter than our hikes into our blinds, so we're still making good time, though. Getting all camoed up, ready to head to the field. It's just starting to get light out. We just want to creep into the field and stalk for a little bit. Just spent the first couple hours of the day stalking the end of field, looking for places to put blinds for gun season. Now we're taking some layers off, getting a drink, snacking, taking a seat. Stalking takes a lot out of you. We found some great places for gun blinds. Haven't actually seen any deer, but we know where they were at last night. I'm having fun though.
Me too.
just kind of scouting out where we're going to put our blinds. So we're going to take some of these thumbtacks we put up last time, go use them to mark where we're putting the actual blinds we're going to gun hunt out of. Oh, someone didn't follow their dick tip and they set their tags too small.
We're going to put it on this small pine tree. So we just wanted to mark it so we remember it when we come in just before opening day.
I just needed this as an image. It's beautiful.
Dick tip. When using a crossbow, make sure you leave the safety on until you're ready to fire.
Alright, so we found the next spot for one of our blinds. It's going to be tucked up right against this little hill and tree. The other blind is actually on the other side of the hill, so we can't actually see each other or shoot each other, which is nice. We got a nice source of water at the bottom of this valley here. So we're just going to set the tack in the tree here to remind us. That's where we want our blinds.
You guys look wonderful in camo. G.I. Dick. Just want to take a minute and appreciate all this color we're seeing out here right now. It's like the perfect time of year for us. Even if we're not seeing deer, it's pretty. This is probably that third hunting spot. It's got a nice big field to the east of the other blinds. It's got a good view off into the swamp. I think we might want to sit out here tonight. We're gonna look at our blind positions for gun season a little more, and then figure out what we're gonna do for tonight.
Finishing up lunch. Hamtramck sausage. Eat a little more, drink a couple cold ones. Probably lay in our hammocks to warm up a little.
And then we're gonna go out and sit in those 3 fields in the big field.
Gotta get you a beer sponsor.
Slarm.
That's what YouTube has been needing.
We got up from our naps. Look at all that is bad.
Getting layered up, re-camoed. Gonna go back out to those areas that we kind of scouted out earlier this morning when we were stalking. We're gonna try and get ourselves a spiky one.
Sending Dick off to that valley field. John went way down over there into the swamp. We'll see how it goes, man. Wish me luck.
We're sitting in my far field. The path behind me is, or to my left I guess, is where I came in. The whole field over here, which I'm checking out, it's filled with deer activity. So.
Okay, I got my scent wafer right on me. The wind's coming out of the south right at my face. One of those scent bombs right over there. At 20 yards, there's another one right over there.
I thought I saw a doe in the woods. The extent of deer signs I've seen so far.
Out here on the evening hunt. Haven't seen nothing yet, but maybe we will.
Sun's just starting to go down. I roll back my calling as the sun goes down so I don't spook any deer that are naturally moving anyway. Just gonna sit up till dark. Wait for Dick to come by on his way back. And
Just got done with the evening hunt. Didn't see anything.
we're out of cold ones.
We still got booze. Still got food.
Still got the captain.
What does l'chaim mean?
It's like Yiddish cheers. I don't know what it actually means. Gonna go to bed early like always, man. But
Well, it's not really early when you wake up at 5.
right. And then we're gonna wake up at 5 and pack camp up, and we're gonna get out of here, man.
John saw a deer.
One deer.
That isn't,
Where there's one deer, there's many deer.
especially a doe.
He's getting ready for bed in his long johns. His long dicks, if you will.
Any good night words, Dick?
Dick tip, if you're gonna be sleeping in a low-rated sleeping bag, it helps to not wear layers.
We're all tucked in for the night. It's been trying to stay warm and dry. If nothing else, I feel like we prepared way better for gun season. Night, John. Night, Dick.
Night, Joe.
Night, guys. Good morning, campers. It has been raining heavily since we rolled out at 5:30, so we've just kind of been hanging out under tarps. It was part of the adventure, right? I got my hammock and tarp down. John's just working on his. How you feeling, John?
Not too bad.
Yeah, are you wet? Dick seems to be wet.
No, I'm not bad.
That's good.
So we're just finishing up packing up the trailer right now. We're going to put the crossbows and the last little bit of trash and stuff on it, and then we're going to drop the tarp on it. Just kind of keep it all contained since it is raining. And because it is raining as well, we're really not going to hunt on the way out.
Yeah, looking forward to some dry clothes and hot food.
And there she is. Our Conestoga wagon, ready to pull. Hunting. It rocks.
We just got back to the truck. We're packing everything up. Go get some food and head home. Thanks for watching the video, guys. This has been MIAdventureLife. If you like the videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to wherever the button is down there now. And thanks for watching.